Namaste. Today we're going to be working with the morning program, Shiva Morning Flow. This is to energize us, our physical body, our mindfulness, and our spirit. This is also to awaken us so we can tap into our inner Shiva energies. This is a shorter practice since it is a morning practice. So let's begin the sacred practice.
Shiva.
The first thing we want to do is place a chair right behind us if we can. We're going to be using this as a prop later in the video. First thing we want to do is we want to move to the left and move to the right. We want to keep moving our hips back and forth. Inhale from the nose left, exhale from the nose right. Here we go.
Om Namah Shiva. Om Namah Shiva. Om Namah Shiva.
Now let's go on our toes, lift our toes up, and come back down. So inhale from the nose up, exhale from the mouth down. Let's all begin. Now we want to begin putting our left leg on our inner right leg for balance. We're working with the yin and yang here. We want to create balance for divine masculine energies, but also our divine feminine energies as well. So we want to be connecting the mind and the physical body together. And this is how we create oneness with the universe, the universal energies. Now think of something positive so you can keep your balance and keep focusing on this one positive thing. Let's begin. Now the other side. Now we're going to squat down and not let our butt hit the chair. We want to squat, inhale from the nose downward, exhale from the mouth as we come back up. And we want to gently put our hands on our legs. This is how it will look. Inhale from the nose, exhale from the mouth. Let's begin and let's concentrate on our root chakra and our crown chakra. Crown chakra is Shiva. Root chakra is Shakti. Let's begin.
Om Namah Shiva. Om Namah Shiva. Om Namah Shiva.
do is sit on our chair. You will need to have hand rests on the chair. Only do this exercise if you are able. You want to make sure you stay comfortable, and you want to make sure you're able to do this exercise. If you cannot do this exercise, that is okay. You can just skip it completely. We want to hold on to the arm rests. Bring our body up. Inhale from the nose. Exhale from the mouth. But don't let your butt hit the chair all the way. Let's begin. Thank you for joining me today at KSG Sacred Yoga and Energy. This was Shiva Morning Flow. This practice is to do early in the day, in the morning, so you can awaken your mind, your physical body, your spirit, to feel energized, just to awaken yourself so you can reach higher consciousness. During this program, we were working with our mind, but we were also working with our physical body. To be able to achieve things in our life, we do need to connect the mind and the physical body together to be able to achieve, so we can have oneness with our higher self, oneness with the universe, the universal energies. And when we are able to connect the mind and the body, we awaken ourselves in many ways. As we continue this program, we will begin to feel more energized, less fatigue, less tiredness, and it also helps increase your vibration. So that means you will feel in a better mood. And once you begin to do this and you keep on doing this program, you will feel more energy. You really will feel less tired. And your light, your inner light, will be transforming yourself, and you will be letting go of the darkness. And the darkness usually holds us down in some way or the other. Sometimes we feel tired from it. Sometimes we feel mad from it, and we just don't feel like doing anything. So this program does many things for you, including your divine light from within. It has it beam, and it creates less darkness from within. If you like my video, please like my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Namaste.
Shiva.